Council, is referring us as to Article 50 of the Constitution on the fair hearing and everything, and is seeking adequate time for that. But he also lives by the fact that we are a quasi-judicial committee, that its roles are limited as provided for Understanding Order number 230, and particularly 4, which is merely investigative. Merely investigative. I mean, one is not placed here for purposes of, he's not accused. That we are not accusers. We are simply listening and investigating. I need him to address us from the point of investigations. I mean, really, we are merely investigating as provided for under Article 230. There is nothing like fair hearing, actually. In any case, we actually provide that time to be had. However, it is simply investigative. How do you relink that between the Article 50 and the Standing Order? Our powers are limited by Standing Order number 234.
Chair, if I may.